Good morning, fellow Studamians. All right, we're going to do a quick run through of these charts. This is our daily market update. I'm going to start with BAT. Reason I'm starting with BAT is number one, I put out a video yesterday on future targets. Number two, we're pumping again today, and we have reached the $1.65 resistance level. Number three, I'm getting a lot of you messaging me telling me that you entered this trade at these levels. You must not be following my videos. This is not the area you want to enter, guys. Not at my targets. No. So what's happening here is we have fear has entered into this particular trade, and we call it FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Fear is a very powerful influencer of decisions. And we see what's happening here is people are afraid they're going to miss out on that opportunity that I provided yesterday. I'll put that video in the related links below. Look for that, my future price prediction on BAT. But we have a level here that provided us some support yesterday and today. All right, see it? And we bounced off of that and we went all the way up to my 165 target again today. That's great volatility. And if you're in this from 134, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't want to get sued. But I personally would be out of this trade again, 100% at that level. That's what I would do. The reason is that's my target. That is my recent target, and I don't see us blasting through that. Now, is it a possibility that we go through that and continue up? Yes, of course. In an infinite universe, there are infinite numbers of possibilities. All right, so it's always a possibility. What we do here with technical analysis and analytics is we don't measure possibilities, we're looking for probabilities, all right? That's the point of doing analytics. You want the best setup possible to provide you with the greatest potential for profit. And in this case, this is not a great setup. I would not be entering here. I would be exiting. All right. So for those of you that have texted, DM'd me, private messaged me, and said, "Hey, I got into this trade, or should I enter here?" I mean, you guys who have followed me long enough should know that's you should know the answer to that. No, don't enter here. And I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to me. That's what I would do. I would not be entering here. All right. So, what do I think is going to happen? This is a long prelude before we get through the rest of the charts here. I think BAT uses this as support. For me to see it is proving, this is also educational, so I don't mind spending a little time here. For me to see that this is legitimate, strong support, we have to sit on this line for at least a week, all right? I'm a swing trader. We go 3 to 5 weeks on average for our trades. And I want to see this support prove itself. What do I think is going to happen? I think eventually we break that support. What I want to see happen is us come down and touch our main line of support, which was resistance. And we have just broken through that recently. This is my entry target area, right? I want to see us to come down here. That's where I enter. That's exactly where I enter. All right. Enough said about BAT. You guys keep following me, and you'll understand how we play these levels and where your smartest entry areas are. All right, let's peruse through these charts. Auction is pumping. I'm not going to spend a lot of time in these. Look at graph here. Graph is coming up. It's going to form this handle. Let me zoom out. It's going to form this handle quicker than I expected. And we need to break that neckline to become bullish, all right? Litecoin, Still in bearish territory. We don't want it down here in the triangle. So today, the bulls need to bring us back above that triangle and preferably above the 50-day. All right. That's when we get bullish. Right now, this is neutral. OXT. Somebody wanted an update on OXT. All right. Well, to be honest, this is support. This is good support, but this is resistance. This is good resistance. All right. The purple uptrending line. So this all here is neutral territory. Don't really know the direction of OXT per se. Now we can take our aggregated data from previous charts and look at the potential price action on the altcoin markets, which I think is up. All right. And we can use that to influence our buy decision and say, hey, I think OXT is going to go up. But honestly, this is not a great setup. This is not a great area for entry. And you really want to see us come on the other side of this purple uptrend line to find good entry. And then in that case, my target is still up here at 77 to 80 cents. UMA. All right, right now, to be honest, it's in bearish territory. Now, I have said that I think it's going to come down and kiss our 200-day before proceeding upward. So that still remains to be seen. That price action is unknown. What else do I have here? XPRT, that's a persistence token in a triangle. Theta is broken out of the first triangle. If I zoom out here, we need to break out of multiple triangles I have drawn before we really become bullish. Handshake Network, looking real strong there. I haven't done much talking on that, and I won't take up your time here in this video. Jasmy, I have said, and I still believe we are going to come down to at least the 50-day. My target for entry is down here, 13 to 14 cents. You all should understand that by watching these videos. Bitcoin dominance, we need a few more days on the charts for it to tell us what we're going to do. We may not form this handle here and go up. Looks like a Bitcoin dominance wants to come down and touch our 40% support area. Bitcoin is, I did a video yesterday on this. So beautiful. Telling us so much. Just watch the video yesterday. I'll put it in the related links. All right. I love this price action, and it is telling us a lot of things, and it's giving crypto markets the signals. All right, watch my video yesterday. I'll put it in the related links. Total 3, we are borderline neutral, slightly bearish here. Total 2, we are moving up above that neckline again. Bulls have brought us right back above, signaling what the rest of the altcoin market may do. Ethereum, still, this is bullish to me. Yeah, we're under the 50-day. Yeah, we're under that support. Bulls are trying their best to take us back above that today. Will they do it? Will they win the tug of war? We'll find out. Remains to be seen. BCH. This is still bullish, guys. We're still on the top of that triangle. I know we're under the 50-day and the 200-day, but look at this. This is actually a positive sign here. The 50-day is crossing the 200. I know they're both, 50 days going across, 200 days pointing down, somewhat significant there, but we could pump at any second as long as we remain above that triangle. BCH is fairly bullish, though it's in borderline territory there. It's not a great entry. I'm not suggesting that. Solaris, under our support, bulls again are trying to take us back above. Doji, bearish territory. This is ugly. I don't like this. ZEC is very bullish. However, as I've alluded, or as I've mentioned before, we hit our target. And personally, if I was in this trade, I'd be 100% out at that level and waiting for another good setup or going to another coin that has a good setup. That's the way we do this, all right? Filecoin is back in the territory that I have told you all is a great place for entry. So the bulls brought us back up, and we are currently on support. ADA, this is bearish territory. We are still in this, back in this triangle. Under the 200-day, under the 50-day. 50-day is pointing down. lots of stuff we got to get through to be bullish again. SHIB, I told you, is coming down here, and that's what I think it's going to do. All right. SHIB is still in bearish territory. Uh, I know it's a popular coin. You guys keep asking me about it. We just don't have a good setup that I see. All right. That's the dollar. All right. So we're through our charts today. Overall sentiment, because of Bitcoin, as I alluded to yesterday, I am extremely positive on the future of the whole crypto space in the next few months. Um, so I wish you the best on all your trades today. And I may pop in a video of a new coin today. We'll see. All right. Best of luck, guys. And let me know what you think in the comments, any new coins, etc., etc. One, before I leave, one thing I have realized in starting these videos a few weeks ago is I probably am learning as much or more from you guys than maybe you're learning from me. Because I get all these suggestions to look at this coin or that coin, and you guys are doing a good job of emailing me, my subscribers, explaining what the technology is, what the future use case is, et cetera, et cetera. And I love it. That's how I learn because I do this as a hobby. I have a full time job, and although it's getting to the point where uh, you know I may choose to move on, won't say for sure yet. I don't spend a lot of time in the crypto space studying all the and researching all the new technologies. This is what I do. This is what I'm good at, and so I stick to this and I do the trades, and I can make good money off of it. But if you guys have suggestions for new coins and new technologies you want to provide, maybe I'll do better. So put those in the comments, all right? And if you're on YouTube watching this, don't forget to hit that notification bell because I do often, almost on a weekly basis, post free trade setups for y'all. All right? Take care, guys.